straight up.
As long as you guys got it.
Yeah, no, that's on them.
Make sure we see it.
Got something.
Sorry. Hey, take 3 steps to your right. It's right in front of you. Moving left to right, straight up.
Left to right.
It's high. Higher. No, higher. It's up there. Higher. Higher. Keep your finger up, gunner. Put your finger up so I can guide you to it. Right there, straight up. Nope. Put your finger up. Move right. 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 I don't think that's it. Moving left to right. That wasn't even anywhere close. Get out of there! What are you doing?
Let's go!
Don't forget your ear, Pro Cobra Crews.
Magbat's there.
It's in the hole. That's pretty good.
Just put the
Yeah,
old
get chaps on there.
You set it up here, maybe? Yeah.
good?
Yeah,
you're good. Where are the other ones?
that one's
they
good,
in
and
the
then the
box?
rest of them are in the case.
Okay, sounds
right there.
good.
I'm gonna crack the case open.
I don't know what. I have no idea.
That was a good one.
These are still good batteries.
I got it. No problem.
Yeah, that one was good. I got it in a good profile. Got to see it, no problem.
Pull the tube off the back, the little rubber case.
Does anybody else need to shoot?
Yes, I do.
Okay. During its profile, it looked like it was stalling out. It might have been hitting wind.
Yeah,
It's probably going.
I need the players.
All right, do we have? Let's walk this one. Hey, pull up one of the other missiles.
I got it. Acquire tone, and then you have a speaker as well. So you'll feel that on your cheek, and you have a speaker going into your ear when you acquire tone in the aircraft. So once you get tone on the aircraft, we're gonna. Well, actually, sorry. Okay, super elevate.
And then fire.
It was on depot for a while.
Yeah.
So.
If you do it out of sequence, like, it'll still be all right. It'll still fire.
Reticle.
Oh, yeah.
So to activate the missile, right? When you have the battery in.
Yeah.
Press this switch.
Missile over there. This is why I love the RPS-62.